Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable COD, which is short for cash on delivery in WooCommerce store. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to create a WooCommerce store in WordPress, you're gonna have to pay for a subscription in WordPress that costs like $40 or $50. And if you do that, you'll be able to access a lot of features that's gonna help you and making your store possible. Now, I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally. And if you follow the instructions that I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna be able to add a cash on delivery in WooCommerce successfully. Now, let's get started by following these few steps together. The first step is to enable cash on delivery. For here, you're gonna have to go to wordpress.com and enter your account credentials. Once you log in, you're gonna be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to WooCommerce right here on the left sidebar and go to settings. You're gonna be able, if you pay for a subscription, you're gonna be able to see a lot of settings here. Go to settings in this WooCommerce and then go to payments and enable cash on delivery and click on manage. The second step is to set cash on delivery restrictions. Configure restrictions such as a specific shipping zones or minimum order amounts. And the third step is to test payment options. Place a test order to ensure COD appears as payment method. And that's it. That's how you add cash on delivery in WooCommerce. Now, I'm gonna remind you that buying a subscription is very crucial to start a WooCommerce store in WordPress. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.